Hello everybody, welcome back to Autodetect.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the Autodetect black and white and color original on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here, we need to go to Adjustment and Maintenance and go to Adjust Image Quality. Now here we need to select Special Processing, and after that let's scroll a bit until we see the Autodetect black and white color originals. And here we have two modes for it, and here basically you guys can click on it, and the first one is to prioritize the print speed, and the second one is to detect any flaws and eventually recorrect it. So I always use the first one because I am a time sensitive person and I want everything to be done quicker, and I don't really mind some flaws, they are not noticeable. So if you guys also prioritize your time, then go for the first mode. If you want the quality to be the best of the best, then go for the second one. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.